Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Fisher-Price Infant-to-Toddler Rocker, Geo Diamonds. This thing made life as a mom who is home alone a majority of the time so much easier. The colors were adorable, gender neutral, and the rocker was more modern looking than most on the market. Once assembled, it doesn't take up too much room, and it's lightweight without feeling flimsy. It was extremely easy to assemble, and it's easy to take the fabric off to wash. It does not take up too much room, and is light enough to carry from room to room. She was too big for her infant swing, but not sitting up on her own yet. She loves the rocking, and it also has a kickstand so it can be stable if needed. If you are rocking, you need to remove the toy bar as the toys swing pretty forcefully, but it is very easy to do. It has a kickstand to disable the rocking action, which is also nice if your baby is bigger, and you need more stability. Would like it to be less slippery without adding layers, as this changes the geometry of the unit. The seat is so comfortable, and the vibration is strong enough not to be annoying, but does the soothing job well. He is a big baby, and loves to sit up to be in the action. Now that she is a few weeks older, the monkey and zebra make her smile and play. Also, the seat leans back for when she's sleepy, and sits up for when she wants to look at toys and play. Even though it didn't come with instructions, simply looking at it you can piece it together. Around 4 months of age, our baby boy was wanting to sit up with help and play more. He needed a chair where he can climb up into and get out by himself. He likes to make it a game to see how hard you have to rock it to overturn it. No tears, rips, breaks, or anything. He also loves to take the occasional nap in here, making sure to turn the vibration on, of course. Got this yesterday, and assembled it in less than 10 minutes, and was easy to do so. Really happy with this baby purchase, and the chair is light enough to carry around. It's really nice that you can position the chair in a up, rocking position, or lean it back for sleeping. The bar that goes over the top of the toys attached does seem flimsy, probably easily breakable. It's really hard to scoot the chair around, so really you need to physically lift it up to move it around as opposed to sliding it around on the floor. It is absolutely perfect for our needs. You won't be sorry you purchased this chair. Love the new designs, and the fact that these rockers don't break the bank. If you're looking for a rocker that your child can grow into, this is the one. He sits in it, and lounges in it like he's worked a full 8 hours at a job somewhere, and watches his movies. Safety belt so you do not have to worry about slipping, or rolling out of it. Have washed the cover on delicate, and let line dry, as he has been fighting a cold, and likes to spit up. His held up really well. He really likes the hanging toys, especially when someone turns the ball so it rattles. As an infant lays in the chair, the toys are not too close to their head as others complain about. It's not designed to hold your babies for hours on end like a rock and play, but it's comfortable enough for them to take a little cat nap while you shower. They are 16 pounds 20 pounds now, so they have a bunch of time to grow with this product. Easy to assemble, safe for baby, rattle is in the right spot for the baby to reach. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.